What's going on YouTube? Today gonna be a little install video. We're putting on and installing some LED bulbs on the cat back there. So we about to get straight to it. About to put these LED bulbs in there and let y'all be the judge on how they look. If you know and you got one of these cars, you know the headlights that they come with. They come with them brown lights, them jump. This video is sponsored by Oxido. They sent me some of these, the review for y'all. So I'm gonna put them on, give y'all a little view on how they look. Make sure y'all go check them out. They got pretty good prices. At the end of the video, you can see how their product look on the big Redeye. They are the 9500/HB3. It's what you're gonna need for these cars. This goes for the Charger and the Challenger. We're gonna get rid of them brown lights, put some LED lights in it. She's sitting on the ground, but you know we can't start a video without a cold start. Get y'all a little cold start. This is everything that comes in the box. They give you some gloves just to keep the lights clean. It's a little bag, zip ties, and these plastic rings. And then this is the headlight bulbs itself. You just plug them right in. This little box right here is kind of like a bypass. Make sure you don't get no codes or anything like that on the dash, and everything should work pretty good. All right, when it comes to what you need to do to get to the bulb, on the passenger side, it's a little easier. Let me get my light so y'all can see. If you can see that little cap right there, all you have to do on the passenger side is unscrew that, and then you can get to the bulb pretty easy. When it comes to the driver's side, it gets a little more difficult. You gotta take this airbox off, get this all out the way, then you can get to the driver's side. It's the same thing as the other side. You just gotta get this out the way. Then there'll be a cap right there. You twist off, then you can get to the bulb. All right, what you wanna do to get this box off, it may be different depending on what kind of car you got. This is a Redeye, so the airbox is open. Regular Hellcats just got a box and scats. But you just take this little flathead right here, you loosen that up so you can move this around. This is an 8mm right here. You take that out, and then you should be able to just pull this right out without moving this. I'm gonna get that done and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, I lied. Since the Redeye is gonna be a little more difficult, I don't know if it's like this on the Scat Packs V6 or regular Hellcat, but on this one, if you can see that little circle right there, I gotta squeeze 2 clips in it to pull it out. I already had to take this off. So I had to take this off. What I'm gonna have to end up doing, I'm gonna have to take these off. They are T20 screws. Then I can take this filter off, and then I'll probably have to unbolt these 2 screws right here so I can slide this over a little bit. Then I'll be able to squeeze those 2 clips and just pull it right off. All right, as you can see, I got all the screws took out. I got these screws took out so that can wiggle around. I got these screws took out. That's the little circle piece I was talking about. I need to squeeze this in. So I'm gonna prop y'all up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to take it out. All right, as you can see, you really gotta fight that shit. But it's all out now. This is the cap I'm talking about right here. All you do is slide it off just like this. Take it out. Then that's the bulb right there. Right there. Once you at this stage, all you do is take the bulb, twist it counterclockwise, and you can pull it right out. And then from there, you just unplug it, plug the other one back in, put it in, twist it tight, and put the cap back on. This is how it should look. I got my new bulb in. It's plugged in. Once you get right here, you just tuck it in. Once you got it tucked in like this, you just take the cap and put it back on. All right, now that I got everything done on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together. And then I'm gonna do this side, put the new bulb in on this side. Since I already did this side, I don't think y'all need me to show you the easier side. So I'm gonna get this done, put everything back together, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, we got both the lights put in, ready to go, everything put back together. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on, let y'all see how the lights look from outside the car. And then I'm gonna go inside the car and give y'all a drive and let y'all see how it looks from the inside. They are brighter, but keep in mind, I do have 15% on my front windshield, so it's not gonna look as bright inside the car, but they're way brighter than the stock ones, a big upgrade. As you can see, they are way brighter than the stock headlights, way better. Look at my dog acting crazy. That's how they look from the front. They're pretty bright. I'm satisfied with it. This is how they look on the wall. It's a pretty good straight line. Don't need no adjusting. We'll go ahead and turn my brights on. These are the brights. Way better. Really see a lot. It's 1,000 times brighter than the regular stock ones. You know, I don't understand why a $100,000 car like this will come with some brown lights, but whatever. Go ahead and get in the car, drive down the road, show you how they look from inside the car. So let's get to it. All right, this is how I look inside the car. It's pretty good because I have 15% on my windshield and it's a really dark road. So this is a big upgrade and this is how it looks. All right, we back on the dark road. I might have to adjust these headlights to make them higher, but this is what the bright lights look like. So yeah. Keep in mind I do have 15, or actually I got 5% on the front windshield, so. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end up adjusting these headlights to make them a little higher, just so I can see a little better. They kind of pointed to the ground right now. And then that's with the bright lights on. It's a lot better than stock, but yeah, that's the end of the video. So I'm gonna give y'all a little pull.
Ain't no smacking the troll, no niggas gon' troll the niggas, just know we smack. You ain't been getting active, we ain't gotta work no keyboard, you not roll with tap. You blow it rap, it's easy, you find your plugs. Most of my bros trap, get the low from cat, make sure you don't catch no DB. 12 try to hold you for trap, the lights on my ice, turn the hands on like I turn.